So now that I know my numbers, I can put an x in front of both. This would be x plus 4, x minus 8. That goes up here in the first blank. X plus 4. The order does not matter. You could put the x minus 8 first if you have a preference. Problem 2. I'm going to skip that for now. I want to go down to problem 5, okay? I'm going to give you about a 60-second head start on problem 5. You should be able to, at this point, identify constant term, lead coefficient, end behavior, and the degree. The end behavior I will put right up here. Positive, odd, means right arm up, left arm down. Negative, odd, means the left side is up, the right side is down. Positive, even, both sides up. Walk it up and show me. Patton has a good understanding. Should have 4. That's the only thing that's wrong. Okay. When you describe the end behavior, you're just going to say left up, right down, something like that. Good, 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 good. Very good. Where you at? Yes, 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 yes. You just didn't tell me what's going on the ends. I want to know what's happening on the ends. Very good. Good.
Hey, Randy, how you doing, man?
Both up, both down, up on down. Good, good.
Reading my part later today.
Very good.
Probably this or that. Practice on Thursday. That's like the hard workouts that we usually do.
Grab a practice test over there. All right, you people at home. There it is, from 5. As I go through this, constant term is the term by itself. That's got an X, that's got an X, that's got an X, that's got an X. This one does not. So therefore, the constant term, it is constant. It is 8.
You can just say 8 because it doesn't actually have to be.
I got to mute your mic there, child. Lead coefficient. You got to mute your mic. There you go. Lead coefficient. You got to find the degree first. Large power. Large power is 6. Hey, I know 6 is even. If 6 is even, it's positive even. 6 is, or That's positive right there. See, there's a little plus sign right there. So we say positive, even, both sides up. Lead coefficient? No, no, no. Right there. It has to go with whatever the degree is. See, this guy really should be leading the pack. He should be in front. 4. Done. Going down to number 6, right there. Many of you are not going to be able to do that because, quite frankly, our factoring skills need improving. But I'm going to give you an opportunity to show me anyway, and then I'm going to show you the method that I use whenever there's a number in front. Nonetheless, your answer should look like this. Don't bring me anything other than something like this. And I do know this. Since that number right there, you're not looking. Since that number right there is a 3, this number times that number has to be 3. And there's only 2 numbers that do that. 1 and 3. So if you'd like to fill them in early, go ahead. And then you can guess the other 2 if you want, but there's a method. Okay, I'm going to give you about 90 seconds on that first. I don't want negatives in front. You can't have a negative in front. You cannot have a negative in front. You can, but we're not going to have a negative in front. Walk it up and show me. No, because 3x times x is 3x squared. That is correct. Hey, look. Look. These 2, I told you these 2 numbers have to be 1, 3. Could be 3, 1. Be 3, 1. Find it 10. These 2 numbers could be a couple things. Could be 1x, 4x. Could be 4x, 1x. Could be 2x, 2x. Now you got 3 options. So you're looking at a bunch of junk. Maybe 1x, 4x, 1, 3, plus minus 4x, 1. There's an option. There's an option. Gotta be one of those. Because that could be a minus, that could be a plus. Options up here. Never put the number in front, you increase the options. Gotta be one of those. I don't know if I missed an option, okay? But see, now you're gonna sit there forever and try to come up with these options. Our multiplication facts need help too. So stick around. I'm gonna show you a method that works every time when we have a number right there. See, they don't show you this little trick in algebra 1. I don't know why. Now to do this trick, you might want to flip it over on the back. Flip it over on the back. I'm going to show you this little trick, okay? It's called The Trick of Factoring by Mark White. I'm going to show you right now. I want 4x squared minus 11x minus 3. I'm going to show the whole world my little trick. Now, when I post this video, it's out there for the world to see. All right, here's what I do. I take 4 times negative 3, and I get negative 12. I'll make a little box. Go ahead, do what I do. Don't be shy. Then I write these numbers in the box that give me negative 12. 1, 2, 3. I'll pause and wait for a question. Those don't work. See, I got to get 11 in the middle. 1, take away 12. 1 from 12. Whatever you do, when you put those two together, you get 11. If you have 12 apples and you eat one, you have 11 apples. 1 from 12 is 11. So I take those numbers out of the box and I write them down. 1 has to be negative. You just ate an apple. It means you're losing it. Put a bar on top. Put the lead term on top of both, 4, 4. Put a little x right beside that 4. That gives you, then take your hands like this and just flip it. 1 counterclockwise turn. Clockwise. So you guys are sitting here like here, turn it that way. Just flip it sideways. 4x minus 1. 4 over 12, reduce. 1 over 3. Put your little x beside that guy. That's x plus 3. X plus 3. 4x minus 1, x plus 3. Works like a charm every single time. Check it out. 4x squared minus 1x plus 3x minus 3. 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. There it is. 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. It checked. Oh, wait. Whoa. I made a mistake somewhere, didn't I? 4x squared minus 1. That's 12 right there. Negative 12. What? Negative 12. There. Let me clean this up. 4x squared minus 1x plus 12x minus 3. We got a problem in Phoenix here. Negative 12. Combination would be negative 12, positive 1. That's negative 11. There's my combination. Sorry about this, kiddos. Just use your little eraser. Negative 12, positive 1. Put the bar on top. Lead number on top is 4. There we go. X and X. So this is 4x plus 1. 4 over 12 becomes 1 over negative 3. 1x minus 3. There. Sorry about that. 4x plus 1, x minus 3. 4x plus 1, x minus 3. All right. Good. Now go to number 7. List the roots. That should be very simple for you. Listing the roots. The roots are on the x-axis. Where the graph cuts it. Don't show me this, though. I don't want you to come up here on this one. Roots. Write the equation. Find the y-intercept. Anybody find that y-intercept yet? I'll go for a volunteer. Yeah. It's in between 10 and 15. You can say, hey, I'm not sure. It's in between negative 10 and negative 15. Could be negative 12. Probably negative 12. Let's do it. All right. Who's got the roots? Raise your hand. Yeah. Yeah, I got that. I got that. Now I need an equation. So to write the equation, you need factors. Look. Flip it over. Flip. That's a flip. If, these are little self notes, things to help you out. If the root is 6, the factor is x minus 6. I'll give you another one. If the root is -4, Ms. Patton, what's the factor? I'm sorry, say it again. You're correct. I'm going to give you one more. If the root is 2/3, the factor is, don't give me x minus 2/3. I don't want that. So you want to take a stab at that one. You take the number on bottom and put the x beside it, so that's 3x, and then you make it -2. The factor would be 3x minus 2. I'll show you why. Because if 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, and I add 2 on both sides, and I divide by 3, you get 2/3. See that? 2/3. You're going to see one like that coming up. Maybe not today, I don't think, but soon. I think maybe there is one today. Oh, there is one. Yeah. Oh, huh. Look at that. Write the equation. Now I'm ready for the factors. Go ahead there, I don't know who was going to say them. Somebody? You got them? Yeah. 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 Now we're going to put a little y in front. Y equals. You want to make it an equation. You make it an equation. Y equals. Well done. You haven't even been here in a couple of days, have you? All right. Find the y-intercept. Now, somebody already said it. You already said it, right? What did you say? Now, how did you do that? Yeah, if you put a 0 here, you get 4. Put a 0 here, you get 1. Put a 0 here, you get -3. So when you multiply all those little guys right there, you get that number right there. Check, check, and check. We're going to go to standard form, problem number 3, okay? Right here. We're going to FOIL this out. Now, raise your hand if you prefer the box method on a binomial times a binomial. Box method wins. What I'm going to do. All right, let's go around the room. Laurel, give me a box. Any box, I'll put it in. You just give me an answer. Should be x squared. Mr. Silball, give me a box. There is a 1x. Thank you. Ms. Patton. Thank you. Bella, no, Miss Woodrum, give me the last box. Combine these guys. Put the x squared in front. Then we're going to do it again. Multiplying by that x plus 1 right there. All right, Bella, we need a box. It is, thank you. Greta. Zach. Porter. Austin. Mr. Ponzo.
Negative 5.
Clean it up, come up and show me. You're good. You're good. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to put my answer right here below, which would be, let's say, write in standard form. Standard form means to multiply these. I've just did it here. You can see my work. If you want to put y equals in front, go ahead. That just kind of cleans it up a little bit. I won't penalize you if you don't. We need to graph this thing next. We're going to graph number 4. Okay? To graph it, you list the roots. So put your roots down from here. What are they? Raise your hand when you know. I need 3 hands up. I've got 2. I need 3. I got 2 hands. I need 1 more. All right, there's 3. Miss Woodrum, what do you got? What are the roots? No. Try again. Okay. Bella. It's positive 5. There's one. Bella, you got another one? That looks good. You got another one? Another -1. So we got 2 -1s and a 5. Okay. So we have 2 -1s. And a 5. When you have two roots, that's called a bounce. And a bounce, a power of 2 means it goes like this at that root. So it either goes like this or it goes like that from the bottom. Now, I need to know, odd or even? Positive or negative? Positive odd, look up there, right arm up, left arm down. Okay? Right up, left down. So I'm going to bring her down. There's a double root. Oh, the double root's over here. So this means it's got to go through this guy. It's got to turn around. Now it's a sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want it perfect, bring your Chromebook in, fire it up to Desmos, and you can punch it in. So we're going to come back here and we're going to hit this guy and we're going to bounce off. Like this. So that's what the graph sketch would look like. Perfect. Doing good. All right. Now we're going to go to this guy here. We've done this earlier in the week. Okay. There's a certain division type. What do we call that division? Raise your hand when you know. Starts with an S. 2 people know. Raise your hand if you think you know what that is. Blank division. S division. More than 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Synthetic division. Okay, so you have to use synthetic division on this problem right here. 2. One, 4, -11, -30. I need a root. I'm going to create a rotation. Laurel, you're up. What's my root? It is not -2. Thank you. All right, we're going to fill in this guy right here. Mr. Stillball, what goes right here? Patton. Jessica. Yeah. Yeah. Bella. Yes. Greta. You want a quick review? Drop. Times. Get that. Add. Times. Add. -15. Porter, what goes here? 0. Good. Turn this into a trinomial, Zach. I need a trinomial. Factor it, Mr. Patton, please, if you can. Or Miss Riggin, one of the two. You got the numbers? What are those numbers? Mr. Patton, Miss Riggin. What? Ponzo. Oh, Mr. Ponzo. Yeah. Nicholas. You got it? Or the numbers, either one. I already got the X's in there.
I don't know.
Miss Riggin? Laurel? Got him? Silball? Yeah, that one here. One of them's X plus 2. Miss Patton, what are one of these numbers? Another one? 3. Signs? There's 2 of them. There's your third. Don't forget the third. Miss Dinsmore? We cannot factor. We do not factor. We see this on a daily basis. Why? Why? Somebody please tell me why kids of Mount County cannot factor very well. Why? No, I don't like that.
That's the only test I failed in.
Anybody got a reasonable explanation? Or we're not shown how to factor? Like, I know you can all tie your shoes because somebody showed you, right? How many people in here drive? Oh my God, you know how hard it is to drive? Oh yeah. But we cannot factor. Oh my God. No, that's not it. I disagree with that. All right, let's see, we're almost done. Let's see, we got, oh, we didn't list all the factors. Oh, this would go in that blank right there. There, that's a little fixer-rooney right there. Check. 2 more. Let's get points of intersection. I need a process. I need a method, a procedure. You think about it. I got 1 hand up. I need at least 3 hands up. We have done this. You should have a binder close by. If you have a binder close by, as I do, you can thumb through it and say, let me see. Oh, yes. Note polynomials, graphs, intersections. On December 15th. December 15th. And then we came back and we kept filtering it through. You see, an effective teacher shows you something and then doesn't leave it. He comes back and revisits it periodically until we're done with it. What do? Yes, that's all you got to do. Set them equal. So do this. F equals G. X squared minus 1 equals 3. I need another process. Raise your hand when you know. I need 3 hands up. I'm not going to satisfy by 1. I need 2 more. 2 more hands. We're solving that, kids. I got 1 hand up. I got 2. I got 3. Mr. Ponzo, what do you do? Keep talking.
And then I got x squared equals 4.
Keep talking.
I kind of just put it x equals 4.
I know there's something that you got to do. You got to do something. Okay, so you always got to know what to do in mathematics. I'm not going to put you in a situation where it's impossible. Last night I had to fix a flat tire, change a flat tire. Well, what did I do first? Well, first you got to open up the trunk and find the jack. I had to do that. What do I do here? You what?
Square root.
Yeah, square root, square root. I get two answers. I get an answer of 2 because 2 squared is 4 and -2. So my answers will be 2, and now remember, I got to find the y values. What are the y values? Got to think, look, really just look. You got to see it. You got to see it. What? I mean, you got to see it. You got to see the number. I need a number. Number here, number here. Raise your hand when you can see it. You got to look at it. Look at your phone. It's not on your phone. No. Kind of close. Oh, 3. That's g of x. Y equals oh, 3. Put 3 there and 3 there. Oh, 3. So you got to look at it. People don't look at things. 3, 3. Done. That means at 2 comma 3 and -2 comma 3, those two lines hit. I'll come back to that after I write this guy in standard form. Oh, we got a chat question here. I like chat questions. Who's it from? Confused on number 4. I'm going to give you a 60-second preview on 4. Here it is. Graph it. Factors. Roots. I take these things and I put them down. This is called a double. A double is a bounce. You know, like at Wendy's, when you ask for a double burger, you get 2 of them. Well, this is a double root. A double root. A double root is a bounce. And since my function is positive odd, I have an odd function here. It's going to be the right arm up and the left arm down. So when I sketch my graph, I'm going to come down and go through this point. It's turning back around, and it's going to bounce off of this because there are 2 of them here. All right, I got to finish number 9. I need factors. I need 3 of them. Give me 1. Give me 1. I need 1 more. No, he got that one. Didn't I show you that early on?
3x minus 2.
All right. Standard form means we got to multiply this bad boy out. So let's use a little box right here. Fill in some boxes. Who can do all 4 boxes? 3 people. Give me 3 hands who can do all 4. I know 2 people can. I got 2 people, 2 hands. Greta, go for it, girl. Yeah. 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 Missing one. Got it. Who can clean that mess up? Miss Woodrum. What goes along the vertical? 3x minus 2. Let's fill in some boxes. I need somebody to fill in 3 boxes for me. 3 boxes, just 3. Who can do 3? Go ahead, Laurel. Yeah. Negative. Yeah.
Shouldn't that 5 be a -5 on the first box?
X minus 5. X minus 5. So that changes. Oh my gosh, it does. Come on, people. When you see a mistake, just shout it out. Don't be afraid. That's good. -5. That makes this 2x right there. So I'll put a -5, +7 is 2x. Was anybody out there thinking that same mistake? You saw it? Nobody saw it? You saw it? Yeah. Go ahead. Call us out on it. Yeah. Are we good? -5. That makes that 35 negative. 35 is negative. Now we're good. Let's finish this up. Who can finish out those boxes? 3 times 2, what would this be? 6x squared. 3 times 35, what is that? 105 negative?
Yeah.
105 negative? And then -2 times 2 is -4x, and -2 times 35 is 70. Diagonal combinations. So I got plenty of answer space over here for my answer. So I'm looking at 3x to the third, -2 plus 6. Is that 4? 4x squared, right? -4, -105. Oh, wait, that's -4. So what is that, -109? And 70. All right. I think we are done with that.